Hello again, and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at some prepositions of time. We're looking at before, by, and until. We usually use before to talk very generally about something happening earlier than a certain time. We use by more precisely when we want to say at, on, or before a specific time. And we use until for a period up to a specific point in time. Have a look at Uncle Jeff's board. Okay, look at this conversation between a few friends. They're waiting for their other friend, John, to arrive. This person says, "Didn't John say he'd be here before 6? Before. Didn't John say he'd be here before 6? At some time earlier than 6. Didn't John say he'd be here before 6? This person says, "I think he said he hoped to be here by 6. I think he said he hoped to be here by 6, at or before, but not later than 6. So a slightly different meaning. I think he said he hoped to be here by 6. This person says, "I guess we should wait for him until 6:15. Until. I guess we should wait for him until 6:15, meaning sometime during the period up to 6:15. So there we are. Prepositions of time, before, by, and until. English grammar, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.